Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you all know, being on the keto diet means that you have to cut almost on all carbs, and the carbs that you're going to consume are going to come from vegetables, from coconut flour, almond flour, and such things like that. Now, once in a while, we all crave some pancakes sometimes. So here at home, I've been doing the most fluffiest, yummiest keto pancakes that I want to share with you. First, you're going to need some salted butter. About 2 tablespoons is fine. 1 egg. Stevia extract. I use about 10 drops. A 1/4 cup of almond milk. A 1/4 spoon of baking powder. Here I already mixed a full tablespoon of coconut flour and a full tablespoon of almond flour together. Alright, so after your pan is already heated up and the butter's melted, in your mixture bowl you're going to add about the 2 tablespoons of butter into the mixture bowl and melt it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. So now that we have the butter melted, let's get ready to mix all the ingredients up. And a very important tip, always add a little bit of salt to the batter. That way enhances the flavors of all the other ingredients. Alright, so this one's ready to flip. Woo! Nice and fluffy. And to top it off, we're going to use this maple walnut syrup, which is sugar-free. And it's gonna be amazing.
Me, I want to try it. We're the judges.
So how is it, guys? It's good?
It's good.
Yeah?
I give a 99.
A 99? Wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you decide to try it or if you have tried it before, leave me a comment below and let me know how your keto pancakes came out. Thank you for watching, and hit like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon on the next Modern Gabby. Hasta la vista, amigas. ¿Está rico?